Hi, I'm John Hawkins, and today we're going to be talking about the Century Right Approach in this 12 series and its unique patented tail section that gives you the extreme load angle as much as 6 degrees. The most impressive car carrier on the market today. To start this demonstration, we're going to show you that not only with the front axle, which you currently see on the deck now, but also is the rear axle. Once this vehicle comes up and starts to approach the hinge, you can actually lower the bed in the front to level this carrier out, therefore giving you the clearance on the nose. And as the rear comes up, if you need to drop this down to 6 degrees again, you just raise that carrier bed, the lower part of the deck or the back part of the deck here will go back to its 6 degrees, and now you can clear the exhaust system, the sway bars, or whatever might be the aerodynamics on that particular Maserati, Bugatti, in this situation, the Corvette. Now with this particular deck right here, we have some very unique options there to here. One of them that you see is the blade rail, the galvanized subframe that's underneath, and the opportunity to see this multi-position winch that allows you up to 7 different positions as you want to pull this vehicle up. Some of the situations you'll have with the car is that pull pin might be off to the side, and therefore you want that cable over to the driver's side or the passenger side. Installing that through the pull pin, creating that strap like this, placing your hook down into here, keeps that away from the vehicle and allows that directional pull to go straight up to the winch and the cable to wrap onto the winch correctly. Some other nice features that we're seeing on this Right Approach is the baskets that we've installed, a new feature in each one of the chain pockets, keep the chain from falling down, possibly getting hooked on the subframe control station or dragging on the ground. Also, if you notice the recessed pocket for the J-hooks. Also look at the storage bin that you've got up behind the toolbox to carry your extra things that can stay in the weather and have it drain. And a lot of the people that we look on our control stations right here is you're going to see the different color knobs. And you've got the blue color that operates the bed, the red color for the winch, and then your pewter color here that is for your wheel lift. Very simple way to determine which lever you want to go for. Well, that's a standard feature. So right now I'd like to introduce you to Mike Frazier. He's going to run through some operational features of this Right Approach carrier.
We've already loaded the vehicle on the rear section of the deck. No problems at all. Maximum clearance because of the 6 degrees. Worked perfectly fine. We're going to winch it up a little bit and show you the versatile, how you can lower the deck and how it changes the angle. And when we get to the rear, just so it doesn't hit the exhaust or anything, we're going to show you how that the angle can be put back down to 6 degrees. And you don't have to worry about striking the ground with any of the things on these high-end cars. As you can see now here, we're winching up the deck of the carrier here. And when that front valance gets a little close, you simply can just stop, change the angle by lowering the front of the deck down. To gain maximum clearance. And now that we've got the vehicle loaded, you just simply use your strap the vehicle down just like you would anything else, and you're ready to hit the road. Hey everybody, first and foremost, when you're out there, try to stay safe. That's the most important thing in our industry. That was kind of the basics of the Right Approach. If you click to the link below, there's a few videos on there, one of Prestige Imports with some really high-end cars, Bugattis and stuff. It's really neat to watch. And thanks for tuning in.
This video is for product demonstration purposes only and is not intended for training or instructional purposes. Situations vary, and operators should rely on their own professional knowledge and safety procedures when conducting actual recoveries.